Good morning. It is time to make some porridge. You pour half a liter of water. And then we take some halvräffling or let's put like 1 deciliter. Two deciliter and some for good measure. So it won't be soup, I want porridge and soup. And next we have some granddad's limp. Take like this much. Put the bread in and stir it a bit. And next we take the orange berries. They taste like shit, but they are good for you. Then we take some lactose-free viipaleet. Shred the cheese. Then stir it up a bit. Yeah. The porridge is starting to be pretty good. And I think it's going to be pretty good porridge today. And this dog food is almost ready. I mean, honestly, if I had a dog or some kind of canine animal, like wolf, yeah, wolf, I would like to have wolf. Wolf was it too. I would feed the wolf this shit. not shit, but you know, add some salt. The pink salt is best salt. Ask anyone. Pour the porridge. There it is. Then I'm going to go off camera for a second. I'm adding some Lake Village Team Yum. Which is time, I guess. Herbs are good. Just, you know, fuck them up in your hand. No one will survive. Actually, I need to add some more.
Mikäli ylipäätään ootte edes ruokanne ansai.
Anteeksi, Tania. Ei mun olisi pitänyt sanoa sitä, mitä mä sulle sanoin.
Sattuhan noita.
Ei sais sattua. Ja toinen asia, mitä ei sais sattua, on liitsa.
And there it is. It's green. It's good. It's fucking dog food. And then we add some minced meat. You can be a pussy and add some fucking pussy ass pussy shit into your pussy porridge. And that is the way you can just fucking keep mincing your own meat.
No hei, ketä nyt kiinnostaa tälle lapselle näitä zombi-leffan tekemään?
Rakas, elämässä on asia.
And for our last ingredient,
Onhan sellainen kauhea juttu vähän lapsellista, mutta kyse onkin valveutumisesta. Jossa sinä olet mestari.
we'll add some
Oikein vaiva. Te ootte lapsia ja...
apple moss.
Ai, pakka sen pois sieltä.
Like 3 tablespoons.
Eikä.
Oot sä jalkana?
Ei voi laittaa puntia noin vaan väliin.
Ihan totta kai voit, jätät vaan. Justaan sä olit siellä.
And here it is. The breakfast of for yeah, it's a breakfast.
Tää joustaa.
We are all going to make it, brother.
Onko se